Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset Apple iPad Pro and 5. Okay, to do it we need to open up the settings. It is really easy, so I'm sure that all of you can handle it. And now find General, scroll down until you find Transfer or Reset iPad. Simply tap on that. And now, of course, we are interested in factory resetting, which is the last option, but in here if you click on the reset, for example, you can reset all settings, reset network settings, subscriber services, and the rest of these things from that list. But let's click on erase all content and settings. We need to click on that. Now we need to click on continue, and now click on erase iPad. And now we need to type the passcode that we have selected. You can even see that the data is automatically being backupped to iCloud. Also highly recommend creating a backup before you do anything. And now all we need to do is to type the password to our Apple account that we are currently logged into. But in my case, I don't know why the language of my keyboard changed. It's a pretty weird thing. Okay. So now all we need to do is to type the password, so that's what I'm about to do right now. Okay, and once you have typed your password, something like that will appear. You can see the Apple logo and this bar that it's simply fulfilling. When everything will be finished, you just need to simply wait, and then the setup process will appear on your screen. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.